Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is the latest flagship from Samsung. This device can shoot videos at 8K. The build quality of S23 Ultra is excellent. At the back you will get Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 along with 4 cameras. The cameras are top grade. I will talk about it later in this video. The build and finishing of this smartphone is just like S22 Ultra, but this time Samsung has made it boxy. S22 Ultra was little bit cylindrical, but this phone has a better grip than S22 Ultra. Display is another section that Samsung is best at. It is a dynamic AMOLED display with Quad HD resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The refresh rate can range from 1Hz to 120Hz, giving you a better battery optimization. The HDR content on this device looks amazing. It has punchier color and the color pops out, and the display is curved towards the edges. This gives a better look to the display, and this is by far the best display in the market, whether it is Android or iPhones. S23 Ultra comes with Dolby speakers, and the speakers quality this year is top notch. You can expect a better surround sound along with good treble and good amount of bass. This smartphone comes with 4 cameras: 200 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor, 10 megapixel telephoto lens and 10 megapixel zoom lens. All 4 cameras produce excellent image quality, whether it is zoom lens, primary sensor, wide angle camera or telephoto lens. The quality you can expect above the average from this smartphone. You will just get amazed by the kind of quality it produces. While taking pictures, you will have different kinds of modes: 50 megapixel mode, 200 megapixel mode, etc. You can choose according to your preference and need. These photos are taken by the main sensor of S23 Ultra. You can get a good dynamic range and the color saturated a bit. In this picture you can see the color pops out and the image looks very crisp, and the background blur effect is also very good. This photo is taken by the 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor. You can notice that there is not much difference from the main sensor and the wide angle sensor. This photo is taken by the 3x optical zoom. Now this is the 10x optical zoom. At 10x zoom also the quality seems to be very good. This year S23 Ultra has improved a lot in terms of videography. This phone can shoot up to 8K videos. Videos taken by the main sensor of this phone has good amount of stabilization and the color looks very good, but if you compare it with iPhones, the color will be slightly on the cooler tone, while the iPhone has an warmer tone in their videos. However, S23 has improved a lot than last year's predecessor, that is S22 Ultra. But if you directly compare it with iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro Max will definitely win in terms of videography. In comparison with iPhone's action mode, this phone has a super steady mode which can steadily shoot videos with no frame drops or no hiccups, as you can see in this video. This phone comes with excellent zooming capabilities. In photos you can zoom up to 100x. Up to 30x you will get usable photos, but in 100x you will get photos that is not so good. But the processing of the software is very good from Samsung, as a result of which you will get usable photos also in 100x mode, as you can see in this picture. Hereby I am zooming on a bird, and the bird is at a very good distance from me, and as you can see 100x the focus locks and thus you can take this good feature with the help of OIS. Though sometimes you may miss the photo, but the output is excellent after processing of the software. The 12 megapixel front camera takes excellent photos. Last year it was 40 megapixel, but this year 12 megapixel photos produces excellent dynamic range and better video capability. The front camera can shoot up to 4K 60 fps and the quality of that footage is also great. Another highlighting features of S23 Ultra is the inclusion of S Pen into its body. Last year also S22 Ultra has the same S Pen, but this year some more features have been added to this smartphone to enhance its performance. This is great for note taking. I love this feature very much. This S Pen comes in handy whenever I want to take any quick notes or anything screenshot or want to write on the screen. S23 Ultra comes with all the important 5G networks that will be available in India. The call reception and the call quality through the speaker or through the earpiece is excellent. S23 Ultra comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. That is the best processor right now in the Android arena. This will give you optimum power while gaming, while multitasking or doing any other activities through your phones. Now the question arises, should you consider buying S23 Ultra if your budget permits and you can spend over 1 lakh rupees? Then this is one of the best Android smartphones that you can buy right now, and this directly competes with iPhone 14 Pro Max. Hope I have answered all the questions that you might have in your mind. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.